Your start here is 100, right 4 minus 300.
All right.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. 100, right 4 minus 300. Then turn left 2 plus opens. 300, looking for a turn left 2 plus opens. 30.
Oh, whoops. Oh, a little too much. Ah, damn it. My fault. Fuck.
All right, opens and 30. Right 5 plus. Into left 6 over small crest. And left 5 plus care 30, turn right 1 narrow. Left 5 plus care 30, turn right 1 plus narrow. It's after the low cage thing.
Yep, I got it.
And tight, tight, tight. 30. Left 3 minus. Into right 4 plus. 50.
There we go. Trust the car. Trust the car.
Be patient.
Yep.
So right 4 tightens to 3 plus off camber 30.
Okay.
Then left over small crest 20. Drive left 1 plus over bump unseen. Here's your tightens off camber. Then
Oh shit! God damn it! Fuck! It's fuck. Sorry. I just need to relax. I can't. Oh man. Don't want to get stuck. 20-point turn.
Okay.
There we go.
Deep breath, buddy.
Yep.
Turn left 1 plus. Drive over bump unseen.
Here we go. All right. There we go.
Right 5 minus short. Into left 2 plus over crest. Into right 5 minus. Right 5 minus 50. Then small crest 70. And left 3 plus over jump. So up there's a left 3 plus over jump. Into right 3 plus. Into left 4 very long over small crest. It's right 3 plus into left 4 very long over small crest. Then right 6 over small crest. And right 5 plus over small crest very long. Into small crest, into left 6 short, then 70. Looking for a left 6 short, then 70. Then small crest 20, right 4 short. Small crest 20, right 4 short. Into left 5 minus. Into right 4 over crest. Now right 4 over crest. Into left 6, 50. Left 6, 50. Then right 4 plus over crest. Into turn, left 3 long over crest. Turn left 3 long over crest. Right 5 minus short. Oh shit. In the left 4 minus 30.
Oh, good.
Left 4 minus 30 and a right 4 narrow through gate. Right 4 narrow through gate into left 3 plus. And right 3. Now right 3, 30. And left 4 minus. Up there's a left 4 minus, then right 4, 50. Right 4, 50, then right 3 plus. Right 3 plus, into left 4 minus, opens and tightens to 4. Left 4 minus, opens and tightens to 4. Into right 3 very long. So right 3 very long. Then left 3 plus over small crest. Now left 3 plus over small crest, into right 6 plus over small crest, 50. Care, right 4 minus over crest, down. Into left 3 plus, opens off camber and long. So left 3 plus, opens off camber and long, 100. Left 4 over crest, opens and tightens to 4 minus. Into right 6 short. Watch the tighten to 4 minus. Into right 6 short, into left 6, 50. Then right 3 plus. That's a right 3 plus. 70. Turn right 4 minus, 200. Then turn left 3 minus. At the end of this is a turn right 3 minus. Into left 5 plus.
All right, good call. Sorry. I heard it, but...
Yep. Into left 5 plus 50. Then left 5, tightens 4 minus. Watch the tightens 4 minus. Small crest 50. Then right 6 plus, into left 5 plus, opens and tightens to 6 over crest, 120. Then right 3 plus over crest, 30. Sure, right 3 plus over crest, 30. And small jump 50, then left 5 plus short over crest, deceptive, left 5 plus short over crest, deceptive, then right 6 over small crest, tightens to 5, watch the tightens to 5, 70, then left 4 plus late, into right 5, opens and tightens back to 5 plus over bump, 50, crest into left 650, right 3. Crest into left 650, right 3. Then right 6 over crest, 30. Right 6 over crest, 30. Left 4 plus, tightens. This is a left 4 plus, tightens. Then opens, here's your tightens. Then opens, very long, 50. Turn right 4. And turn left 4. Here's your turn left 4. Into right 6 long. Right 6 long, 100. Then long small crest, 100. And small crest 50. Then left 6 into small crest, braking 70 through gate. Turn right 2 plus. So left 6 into small crest, braking 70 through gate. Turn right through right 2 plus. 200. Long small crest 70. Left 4 opens. Into right 6 plus. Now right 6 plus, 150. Then small crest 40. Right 4 plus late over small crest. Small crest 40, then right 4 plus late over small crest, 120. Then right 6, into left 6, into long small crest 70, then left 5 plus over crest, 50.
We might have a flat.
Yep, left 5 plus over small crest, 50. Small crest 120. Small crest, right 6 plus over small crest 50, and right 650, left 5 minus, very long, left 5 minus, so this is your right 650, left 5 minus, very long, 70, about 2 miles.
Okay.
Then left 6, and right 6, then left 5 into right 4 plus. So right 6, then left 5 into right 4 plus, 50. Then left 5 plus long, 70. So left 5 plus long, 70. Right 4, 100. Here's your right 4, 100. Small crest, 70. Braking right 5 plus over small crest 30, turn left 3 at T. Braking right 5 plus over small crest 30, turn left 3 minus at T. Into right 5 minus, opens, 70. Left 6 long, tightens to 5. Into right 5 over small crest, 50. Right 5 over small crest, 50, then left 6, 300. After the 300 is braking crest 30, slowing right 5 minus short, into immediate turn right 2 minus, unseen, up. Braking crest 30, slowing right 5 minus short, immediate, oh shit.
I know.
Give it gas, give it gas, give it gas, give it gas.
Yep. Okay. I knew what to do.
Right 5.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Good call.
Crest 50 and crest 200. Then small crest, left 3 minus. So after that, small crest is left 3 minus over finish 50. Left 3 minus, over finish 50. There you go, bud. Good job.
Ah, fuck. I knew it. I was trying to brake a little deeper.
Yeah.